Hi everyone, Charles Wilkinson from Argo Yachting, and it's day 2 of the Southampton Boat Show. We've got a fantastic lineup of yachts here and we'd love to welcome you and show you around. We've got Galeon Yachts and Pardo Yachts. So right now we're on the Galeon 560. It's a show debut for this boat specifically. We've got the 400 fly, 440 fly, and the 405 HTS. All of these are available as well for sale. And the 2 Pardo yachts just here, Pardo GT52 show debut, really beautiful yacht, and the Pardo 43. And just down there, we've got our hospitality, which is amazing. We've even got an interactive screen to view all of our brokerage listings. So on that topic, if you'd like to talk about buying or selling a second-hand boat, we'd love to speak with you, of course. So we're open 10 till 6 every day, and we'd absolutely love to see you. Come and see us.